Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuss by Reggie, back with another video. Before we get into it, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, whatever you want to do to the video, right? So today we are here with an unboxing of a new product, which was one of the biggest products that people was looking forward to at the CT Barber Expo. One of the main things that was on the table was this new Tomb45 wireless charging base with the pods and everything. As y'all know, I am a big advocate of the Crazy Good Power Box, right? I've been using, it's still on my station, but of course, me being me, I like to try different things, right? So this was $300 at the expo, and I don't know if that's the price that's gonna be. Give me 1 second. I think it's actually going to be, let me see if I can look it up. 45, 47. So it was $300 at the expo. Outside of that, it's gonna be $324. So $325. So if you was at the expo, you got a small little deal on it. And then, yeah, so there you go. This is the charging base, and it comes with different ones. Like, so the charging base is the base, and then you get to pick whatever clipper that you want, and they got the charging base. They don't have all clippers, but they do have some of the main clippers that everyone is looking for, and then they have more coming soon. I'll put the graphic here to let you see what they have now, or at least what they had when I was at the expo, and then what they have coming, right? So what I chose is the FX trimmer. I got one for the FX clipper, a wall, which is for your magic clip or your senior, which I will be using a magic clip. Then you got one for the detailer, gamma Stylecraft trimmer or clipper, and then the FX3 charging pod. Now, they're saying that this is like the Instincts is coming soon, so I'm pretty sure based on the way that it's built and everything that maybe the Instincts don't fit, but I'm pretty sure this will take maybe on here it has the Ergos, and then it got the Evos on the side. So we're gonna see which one does it take. I do have a few different Stylecraft gamma clippers, so we'll see which one fit. But let's get into it says bring all your charging in one place with the Tomb45 wireless charging pod base. That's their story for Tomb45, and this is the packaging, right? So we're gonna open this up. Now, I wasn't the first one at the booth, but as soon as they let me in, I was on my way, right? I got there pretty soon. So I just want to say I was one of the first people at the booth, right? Let's get some of this tape off of here. But like when I first went into to buy the charging base, wasn't packed at all. Soon as I turn around, boom, everybody's there. Shout out to Chris Basio, Get Beam, Shine Cuz Her. I got to talk to all of them while I was there. I wish I got to talk to them a little bit more, but it is what it is. So this is the packaging, how it's coming out, right? If you can read that, set that there. Okay, so that's one thing. So a lot of people are like, it's long or whatever, especially when you see the box. You're like, it's long, right? But it's not as long as the box. It got some room in there. Let me get the charging. You got the charging cable here. And then we have the actual charging pod, right? So this is the stand. Tomb45, if y'all can see that, it's like in black, on black. So this is the charging, the dock. So let me see. We're gonna put this together right now. You know, I'm gonna have to change my station around a little bit. Not that my station is too small to take it, because it's not, but my station is it's cluttered, right? We have a lot of stuff on my station. So we're gonna see about that. Charging cable. Got it here. And then we'll plug it up. We'll get it going, right? So this charging is magnetic charging. So yeah. So you just set the clips right up on it. So let's open one. Let's open one that we know we got. We have the wall clipper, right? So like I said, I'm gonna use the wall magic clip and the wall detailer, which I also just got at the show. I got their all black version, so we're gonna see if it takes the all black detailer and magic clip. So this is the packaging of one of the pods. You take that out. Okay. And then we have a pod, all right? So we'll got the pod, the base. You click it right in and it snaps. Let's go again, go again. So now we got the pod there. Oh, I got it backwards. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. And it snaps better now that you got it on the right way. All right. So boom. That's how it fit. This is, of course, my custom magic clip. Not wobbly at all. When Basio was doing this live, and I think he had just a prototype of it, but he was saying like it will wobble a little bit. These are pretty snug in there. I don't feel like it's going nowhere. So once it's on the station, I don't feel like it's gonna go anywhere at all. It really has no wiggle at all to it. So that's the base. That's the base. That's the charging stand. You get 6 pods, and then they do have, I guess, stands that they got, elevated stands where you can put, so it'll be like a step stair, all right? So you can have your lower road, and you can put one up higher, have 2, all right? So we're gonna get this together. We're gonna put it on my station, see how it looks. Again, my station is not small. It's just cluttered from all the stuff that I like to try out. But I will be taking the crazy good out for a second to see how this fares to the charging of everything. And again, this is magnetic. That's one difference between this and another. I know y'all gonna be like, well, what's that? But this, as far as charging wise, I don't know yet because I haven't used it. But the this is a, like I said, it's a magnetic charger. And then the crazy good is direct charging, right? But there you go, charger stand, Tomb45. Now let's see how it fits on my station. All right, so now that we here, we got it set up. Now I still gotta straighten up my station, but I wanted to show y'all my station is not the biggest station for so for those who saying that it may not fit on your station, I mean, I have plenty of room to put other stuff in. Once I got it fully set up, I'll show you where everything is. But these are the main clippers that's going in there, but I do have a few other ones just to show that certain setups is different, right? So of course we got the all black magic clip that's gonna go there. As you can see, it is charging. We got the black detailer that's gonna go there. As you can see, also charging. FX3 shaver, although I do use the UV shaver a lot more, they did not have a setup for that, so I did get the one for my FX3 because I still use this anyway. So we're gonna set that in there, and as you can see, it is charging. This is the for my for my flex trimmers, and it do fit other trimmers and stuff and clippers from StyleCraft, but I did just want to show that the way that the Instincts, the body style of it, it would not fit in there. And other clippers from StyleCraft slash Gamma would fit, but not the Rebels, of course, because of the size of it, right? But I do have the flex trimmer. As y'all know, this is my favorite trimmer at the moment. So boom, we're gonna set that up in there. And as you can see, it is charging. We got the FX clipper, the gold. We're gonna set that in there, boom. As you can see, it is charging, right? So this here is for my FX trimmer, but I did wanna just show that if you have the Low Pro, I don't remember if they have the Low Pro connector or not, but if you grab the wrong one, you just turn your Low Pro to the side, boom, you're fitting in there. But then it wouldn't look all right with everything else front and center like that. So we do have the FX trimmer, and boom, as you can see, everything is charging. I have room on my station. The only thing that I would like to have is the Instinct one, because the Instinct is my main go-to clipper, and I would end up taking the Gold FX clipper off and putting the Instinct. So as soon as they get the Instinct clipper connector or pod, I would definitely have that. And as you can see, that is my setup. And we are going to rearrange some things on my station. This is just over here pushed to the side, but yeah. So let's get the full station set up, and we'll get back to how it look once it's fully done. All right. One thing I did want to point out that I liked, because I had plugged my cord into this end first, and I was like, now I'm gonna have to try to move that cord to over here and plug it into my power strip here. But I like the fact that they have a outlet on both sides where you can directly plug that into. So you can have, depending on how your setup is, you can hook it into the one side here, or if your plug is over here, instead of you have to stretch it out, you can plug it into this side. So I do like that as well. Ta-da! So that is my setup of the, let me get the box, right? Of the Tomb45 power base, charging pod base. So, actual release date, I don't know. But if you follow me on Instagram and on YouTube and stuff, I will let you know when a fully updated release date is. I don't have a discount code for this, so this is just something that I have at the moment. If I have a discount code later, check the description and it'll be added there. But excuse me, I do not have a discount code for Tomb45. But the price of this was, like I said, it was $300 at the expo, which I had a great time. But then the actual release, when it does release, it will be $325 at this moment. That is the price that they are saying. So again, shout out to Tomb45, shout out to Chris Basio, Get Bean, Shanka's Hair, Dre, everybody part of Tomb45. Shout out to all y'all. And they are doing things or trying to add things into the industry. So we will see how this charging dock work out. And we'll review it a little later. Give me time to use it and see if everything actually works before I actually put a review out. But I am looking forward to see how this works. Yeah. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, all that good stuff that comes along with being on the beautiful platform that we call YouTube. And I'll be back. Peace.